What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about the 4 things that every truck driver should have. Maybe I should put that away. Let's roll the intro. You can find links to all these items that are on Amazon down in the description box down below, as well as a special discount for you on Blue Tiger's website. You can click that link below. You have to go through that link, and then you can enter the coupon code that's right below it. So check all of that stuff out. But number 1 on the list is a good atlas. You must have a good atlas. It's just, you have to have it. Notice I did not say GPS, I said atlas. An atlas will tell you what types of roads that you can find, as well as if you can be on that road. It'll also give you all the locations for low bridges. Have to double check a GPS's route, but you do not have to double check an atlas's route. So keep that in mind. Number 2 on the list is a tire gauge. You must have a tire gauge. Tire maintenance and checking your tire pressure is just imperative. It's a must have. So you gotta have one. And you should be checking it about once a week. This will reduce your chance for blowouts, keep you on the road, and keep you earning money. Number 3 is a dash cam. A dash cam is a fantastic tool and a fantastic way to protect your CDL. Let's say you accidentally get in an accidental accident. If you get into an accident, but you have the footage from this dash cam, you can protect yourself if it wasn't your fault. A lot of people like to go after truck drivers because they think it's gonna be some kind of big payday. But this right here, this will absolutely protect your CDL. I've heard of other guys also sending the footage home to their families so that way they can also check out where they've been. So that's a cool little use for it as well. I don't recommend just any dash cam. For me, it's the Rand McNally DC300. This has a built-in function that will also record the speed, which can save you in other situations as well. And last but certainly not least, you need to have a good headset. A good trucking headset is the best way to go. You cannot have one that has both ears because that's illegal. So you have to have one that has one ear, and you want one that's gonna fit. It's gonna be nice and comfortable. It's gonna fit over the ear properly, so that way you can hear the other person well. You want one with good noise cancellation, so that way the other person is not hearing your engine or hopefully not too many of the rattles that are inside of your truck. It can also, you can stay on the phone at night. I'll link my other video talking about night driving tips. So check that out. But this is a tip that I actually left off. If you're talking at night, that keeps your brain functioning and that keeps you more awake and more alert at night. And it's a great way to pass the time at night and make it through those tough night shifts. But check out this Blue Tiger Elite headset. Fantastic headset and highly recommended. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. So there you have it. The top 4 things you need to be a great truck driver. One might even say professional. And notice that 2 of the items on the list, half, are actually Rand McNally products. Like I said, not a sponsored video, but they make great products. They know the trucking industry. They do it right. So Rand McNally definitely gets a big thumbs up for me.